Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn English through a daily routine conversation. This video will help you improve your English speaking in a simple and easy way. So, let's get started.
Morning routine.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Ria. How are you today?
I am good and feeling fresh. What about you?
I am also good, but a little sleepy today.
Oh, what time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6:45 a.m. today. Then I slept late last night.
I see. I woke up at M. I like to wake up early.
That's a very good habit. I want to wake up early, but sometimes I feel lazy.
Yes, it happens, but we should try to follow a routine.
Next, scene. Brush.
So, what do you do after waking up?
First, I get out of bed and drink a glass of warm water.
That's healthy.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here. I also brush my teeth first.
Next scene. Yoga.
After that, I do some exercise.
Really? What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga, stretching, and sometimes a little meditation.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it makes my mind calm and fresh.
I don't exercise every day, but I want to start.
You should start slowly, even 10 minutes is enough.
What do you do after exercise?
After exercise, I take a bath.
Same here. I take a shower and get ready for the day.
What do you wear at home in the morning?
I wear comfortable clothes.
Me too. Comfort is important.
Next scene. Breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat fruits, bread, and sometimes poha or upma.
That's nice. I usually eat eggs and bread with tea.
Do you drink tea every day?
Yes, I like tea very much.
I prefer milk or juice.
Breakfast is very important for our health.
Yes, it gives us energy for the day.
Do you help your family in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen.
That's good. I also help with small things.
Next scene. Ready for office?
What time do you leave for office?
I leave at 9:30 a.m.
I leave at 9:45 am.
How do you go to office?
I go by bus.
I go by bike.
Is the road crowded?
Yes, sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
Same here. The bus is often full.
What do you do on the way?
I listen to music or watch something on my phone.
I enjoy riding and looking around.
Morning time is very beautiful.
Yes, the fresh air feels nice.
Next scene. Office routine.
What do you do after reaching the office?
First, I sit at my desk and check my emails.
Same here. I also check messages and plan my work.
Planning is important.
Yes, it helps us save time.
What kind of work do you do?
I work on a computer, make reports, and attend meetings.
I also work on projects and talk with my team.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, sometimes, but sometimes it is stressful.
That's normal.
Do you talk with your colleagues?
Yes, we talk and help each other.
Teamwork is important.
Yes, it makes work easier.
Do you take breaks? During work?
Yes, I take short breaks.
What do you do in your break?
I drink water or tea and relax.
I also check my phone out sometimes.
Too much phone is not good.
Yes, you are right.
Next scene. Lunch time.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Me too.
What do you eat?
I eat rice, dal, vegetables, and sometimes salad.
I also eat homemade food.
Homemade food is healthy.
Yes, outside food is not always good.
Do you sit alone or with friends?
I sit with my colleagues.
Same here. We talk and laugh.
That makes lunch time fun. What do you do after lunch?
I take a short walk.
Me too. It helps digestion.
Yes, it is good for health.
Do you feel sleepy after lunch?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too. It is hard to focus.
But we have to continue work.
Next scene. Evening work.
What do you do in the evening at office?
I finish my work and check pending tasks.
Same here.
Do you ever work late?
Yes, sometimes.
That can be tiring.
Yes, but it is part of the job.
Next scene. Returning home.
What time do you leave office?
I leave at 6 p.m.
Me too.
How is the traffic in the evening?
It is very busy.
Yes, the road is full of vehicles.
What do you do on the way back?
I just focus on driving.
I listen to music again.
Music makes the journey easy.
Next scene. Evening at home.
What do you do after reaching home?
I freshen up and relax.
Same here.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, a little.
Me too.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, sometimes I watch TV or YouTube.
I also watch videos.
What kind of videos do you like?
I like learning videos and music.
That's good.
Do you spend time with your family?
Yes, I talk with my parents.
That's important.
Yes, family time makes us happy.
Next scene. Dinner time.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8:30 p.m.
I eat at PM.
What do you eat?
I eat light food like roti and vegetables.
I also eat simple food.
Heavy food at night is not good.
Yes, it can affect sleep.
What do you do after dinner?
I walk for some time.
Me too.
Walking is good for digestion.
Yes, it keeps us healthy.
Do you use your phone at night?
Yes, but not too much.
Same here.
Too much screen time is not good.
Yes, it affects sleep.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
I sleep at PM.
That's early.
Yes, I like to wake up early.
Ending scene.
You have a very good routine.
Thank you. Your routine is also nice.
We should follow a healthy routine every day.
Yes, it helps us stay active and happy.
Today was a good day.
Yes, it was productive.
Okay, Ria. Good night.
Good night, Amin. Take care.
You too. Sleep well.